Ever feel like winter turns your home into a dreary cave? Well, not this year. We're about to transform your space into the coziest, most stylish winter wonderland you've ever seen. Forget the winter blues. We're bringing in the magic. Ready to make your home the ultimate warm and inviting retreat? Let's get started. First up, let's talk texture. Think of your home like you're dressing for a chilly day. It's all about layering. Swap out those light summer throws for chunky knit blankets. Drape a faux fur throw over your sofa or at the foot of your bed. It's an instant invitation to snuggle up, and don't forget the floor. A plush, high-pile rug not only feels amazing under your feet, but also adds a significant layer of visual warmth to the room. Velvet, flannel, and cable knit cushion covers are your best friends this season. Mix and match these textures to create a space that's not just warm, but also incredibly rich and interesting to look at. It's a simple change that makes a huge difference, trust me. Now, let's gather around the heart of the home, the fireplace. Even if you don't have a real one, you can create a stunning focal point. If your fireplace is functional, great. But let's make the mantel a masterpiece. Start by clearing off any clutter. Then arrange a collection of candles in varying heights. I love using flameless LED candles with a remote to give you all the cozy ambiance without any of the worry. We've some faux eucalyptus or pine garlands around them. Add a few pine cones, maybe spray painted in a metallic gold or silver for a touch of glam. A beautiful mirror or a piece of seasonal art hung above the mantel will reflect the candlelight and make the whole area sparkle. No fireplace? No problem. Designate a console table or a floating shelf as your winter mantel and decorate it the same way. Next, let's engage another sense. Smell. A home that looks cozy should smell cozy too. Scent is incredibly powerful for setting a mood. You can simmer a pot of water on the stove with cinnamon sticks, orange peels, and cloves for a natural home-filling aroma. Or use an essential oil diffuser with scents like pine, cedarwood, or frankincense. Scented candles are a classic for a reason. Look for warm, spicy notes like vanilla, sandalwood, or gingerbread. Beyond just scent, bringing actual greenery indoors is a game changer. A simple vase with some fresh pine or fir branches not only looks beautiful and minimalist, but also releases a subtle, refreshing forest scent. It's like bringing a little piece of the serene winter landscape right into your living room. Finally, every great room needs a showstopper, and for winter, that's your seasonal centerpiece. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. Find a beautiful tray, maybe a rustic wooden one or a sleek metallic platter. This will be your base. Start by arranging some natural elements. Think pine cones, dried oranges, or a cluster of birch logs. Then add your metallic touch. This could be brass candlesticks, silver ornaments, or even a string of delicate copper wire fairy lights woven through the arrangement. The contrast between the rustic, natural elements and the shiny, modern metallics is absolutely stunning. Place this on your dining table, coffee table, or kitchen island. It's a gorgeous focal point that ties all your winter decor together and screams sophisticated style. So there you have it, 4 simple yet powerful ways to unwrap the magic of winter in your own home. By layering cozy fabrics, styling your mantel, adding seasonal scents and greenery, and creating a stunning centerpiece, you can turn your space into a warm, stylish, and utterly inviting sanctuary. Don't let the cold weather get you down. Embrace the season and make your home a place you truly love to be in. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home styling inspiration. Let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. Stay warm and see you next time.